Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're all doing well and ready for some important updates. Today we're diving into some pretty significant news about immigration policies in the US. So, here's the scoop. A federal judge has just blocked the Trump administration's attempt to revoke temporary legal status for roughly 450,000 migrants. You heard that right. This decision has sent ripples through the immigrant community and beyond. This ruling is a big deal for individuals from Nicaragua, Venezuela, Cuba, and Haiti who were granted temporary status under a Biden-era program. These people have been living in uncertainty, and this decision brings a glimmer of hope. Now let's break it down. What exactly happened here and why is it so significant? U.S. District Judge Indira Talwani, an Obama appointee, argued that the Department of Homeland Security misinterpreted the law. She pointed out that the administration's actions were not in line with the legal framework. She highlighted that these individuals had followed all the rules of the parole program. They had done everything required of them, from filling out paperwork to adhering to the guidelines set forth. Imagine following every step, doing everything by the book, and then being told it's all for nothing. That's rough. It's like running a marathon and being told at the finish line that the race doesn't count. She essentially said that a deal had been made with these migrants and then undercut by attempting to revoke their status. This kind of flip-flopping can have devastating effects on people's lives. On the other side, we've got the Trump administration's argument. They believe that their actions were within their rights. The Justice Department lawyer Brian Ward contended that parole programs are inherently discretionary. This means that the administration believes it has the authority to grant or revoke these statuses as it sees fit. In simpler terms, they believe these programs are at the administration's discretion to grant or revoke. This has been a point of contention and debate for a long time. Now, what exactly is this parole program? Let's take a closer look. This program, introduced during the Biden administration, allowed migrants and their families to fly to the U.S. if they had sponsors and granted them 2 years of parole. It was designed to offer a legal pathway for those in dire situations. The idea was to provide a legal and safe way for these migrants to come to the U.S. and start a new life, free from the dangers they faced in their home countries. But on March 25, 2025, the Trump administration tried to revoke this status. This sudden change left many in a state of confusion and fear. So people who had already arrived based on the Biden policy suddenly found themselves in a legal limbo. Their future in the U.S. became uncertain overnight. In response, immigration advocacy groups sued the Trump administration over its plan to terminate the parole program. These groups argued that the move was not only unfair but also legally questionable. They argued that this move was unfair and legally questionable. And guess what? The court took their side, at least for now. Judge Talwani agreed, at least for now. Her ruling means that the Trump administration's attempt to revoke the status has been halted. This ruling means that, at least temporarily, these migrants can breathe a sigh of relief. They can continue their lives without the immediate threat of deportation hanging over their heads. They won't be subjected to expedited deportation as the Trump administration had planned. This is a significant win for the immigrant community. But, as with many legal battles, this isn't the end of the road. The fight is far from over. The administration could appeal the decision, and this could go through several more rounds in the courts. It's a complex and ongoing situation that will require close monitoring, so it's definitely something to keep an eye on. Alright folks, make sure to stay tuned for more updates as this story develops. That's the latest on this ongoing immigration saga. It's a story that affects many lives and will continue to evolve. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Your support helps us bring you the latest news and analysis. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay informed, stay engaged. Peace out.